Our inventory financing is a perfect way for you to get money for your business if you own more than $150,000 in inventory now. With inventory financing, you can use your inventory as collateral and quickly be approved even if you have personal credit challenges now. Plus, you get to enjoy generous payback terms and loan amounts, ensuring your payments are affordable. You can be approved for $150,000 or more in inventory financing with us. Your approval amount will be based on the actual value of your inventory. You can typically be approved for financing up to 50% of the value of your actual inventory, and interest rates on this program are very low, typically as low as 2% monthly on the outstanding loan balance. Plus, you can be approved in 3 weeks or less. To be approved, you should have at least $300,000 in inventory. No jewelry, apparel, highly seasonal items, or high-tech items subject to rapid obsolescence will be accepted. Our inventory financing is a perfect way for you to get money for your business if you own more than $150,000 in inventory now. Contact us today to be approved.